Hey you guys, I'm back with another video today for y'all, and today's video is over these nails. Okay, I did do these nails myself, and if you like this, and it's an easy it's easy to do, so just stay tuned and I'm gonna show y'all how to get nails like me. Okay, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. So today the things that you'll need is a file, scissors, or you can use fingernail clippers, but I don't know where the fingernail clippers are, so I'm going in with the scissors. Your nail polishes, I'm going white and gold and clear for the top layer. And then the nails, I'm using these nails. These are the nails that I'll be using. I got these from Amazon like 2 years ago, so I'm not sure if they have them still, but if not, I will look for something similar to these and list it down below for y'all, because these were only $10, by the way. I already sized out my nails. I got the glue, any little cheap glue you want to get. Okay, so first you want to file the top of your nails just gently, just so it could be like a dry feeling to them. Now I'm gonna apply the glue and apply the nails. So when you're doing the nail, after I put the glue on there, I'm not gonna do it yet, I just want to show y'all real quick, but you want to push it down inside of your cuticle so that the nail looks realistic. And I like going in with the clear ones because it looks more natural with the clear nails than the white nails. You can also probably find these at Walmart or CVS or Walgreens or your local drugstore, just so you could do something quicker instead of waiting online to get some nails, okay? But you want to push that back inside of there just so you can see it will look seamless on there. Okay, so here are the nails after I'm done. So I don't like the pointy, how it's pointy, so I'm gonna cut them with the scissors. That's why I have scissors out, so I can have like a coffin look. Well, now I'm gonna go in with the filer, and I'm gonna go like this to give it the, you know, like the real nail look, so it won't be like just straight. It'll be like, I'm gonna just do this and show y'all. Okay, do you see what I'm saying? Like that type of look. Here are my nails after I file them down. I'm gonna wipe that dust off. Okay, so I did this hand off camera, and I'm gonna start on this one. First, I'm gonna get some oil and oil my hand up first, just so that the nail polish won't stain like it did this one. It look a little bit crappy, but just gonna save it by doing that. Oops. I do have my fan. I just have this on the side so that I could dry my nails quicker as I'm painting them. First, I'm gonna go in with the gold and put that on this nail. Let me turn. Okay, so here is the end result. It's not all the way dry, so when they dry, I'm going to wash my nails and scrub them so the white around my hand could come off, and they look real nice. I'll insert some pictures of them up close and after I get done washing my hands and stuff. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel right now before you guys go, and I hope to see y'all next time in the next video. Bye.